Welcome back to Automotive and another episode of the 72 Chevelle. She ain't got no ass. Where we're going to start today is I'm going to finish removing this part of the quarter, start removing the roof. My goal with the roof is in sections, right? It's big, it's heavy, it's stupid. So I'm going to cut sections, pull it off in sections, and then I'm going to I don't know how to do this yet. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to figure it out. I'm just going to cut, sand, and kind of take my time, as much as I'm willing to take my time on that. But, once the roof's off, then I got to go buy some more tools and start fixing these guys. And once those two are fixed, then I'm going to cut out literally the rest of the back half of the car. I'll leave these inner wheel wells or wheel hubs, whatever you want to call these guys. I guess they're just the inner fenders on the rear. I don't know. They'll eventually get replaced with tubs, but not at first, right? But I will be cutting the entire trunk out. I'm going to replace all of this rear sheet metal. And then I've also got to cut out the rear deck and replace it. I'm not entirely sure on what to do or how to do this guy, right? These trunk hinges. I'm not entirely sure how they mount on there properly, so gotta learn that. But that's down the road. I'm probably a few weeks out from being at that point. So, screw it. I'm just gonna whip out the grinder and start cutting. Wish me luck. Well, I don't remember where we started this video. Were we finishing up the quarter? Maybe just removing the roof? Either way, roof's off, quarters are off, getting closer to beating the shit out of that skeleton. But we're not that far yet. Let's take a little looky at the damage. And by damage, I mean, what did I do? So for one, cut through there, so I'm gonna have to weld that, fix that back up. This beat to hell, gotta fix that. That's beat to hell, gotta fix that. Rear deck will eventually get removed. Entire trunk will get removed. I still have about $300 in sheet metal to order. I've got this off. The roof is officially off all the way to the front. I haven't figured out where I need to cut these yet. This A-pillar is getting replaced either way, though. My new flappy discs do some damage. I kind of just used it as a cutting wheel, but worked out pretty well. I need to still use it and clean up all of the old metal everywhere. So anywhere you see shit like this, I've got to remove that before the new roof can come on. All of this surface rust, I don't know if I'm going to clean it up or just POR 15 it and call it a day there. That I'm not entirely sure. But I do need to do something. I can't just leave it like this. Good chance I'm just going to POR 15. Yeah, it'll still have that grainy, poopy look, but you're not going to see any of this. It's all going to be covered with sheet metal. So this thing is not going to be no Riddler Award winner. Hell, my goal is just to get the stupid thing back on the road where we're at. This side's not as beat up, though, so that's nice. I do still have some metal I need to get through and remove all the way around the back window. Once I get the roof up there, I bought some clamps so I can kind of clamp it in place. That'll give me an idea of, well, how badly I've got to beat things back into submission and get everything back where it should be before I start really tacking things back on. The fun part is the rear deck's got to stay so I can fix the skeleton. And the rear deck's got to come out for the trunk to come out because I am doing the entire trunk. So that's going to be interesting too. I'm just going to do all of that at once, pull it, and then the trunk will go in, and then the rear deck will go in, and then I'll start tacking the roof in place and the quarters in place, and I'll start getting everything in place and just kind of take it from there and see how everything goes. It's not great, but it could be a lot worse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below on everything I'm doing wrong. If I'm doing anything right, let me know. If there are better ways to do this, man, tell me. I need to know. Also, what part of the process do you guys want to see? I'm not great at recording everything, but I want to make sure I'm hitting points that you guys want. I do play music through all of the things. I guess I could talk you guys through it if you guys are interested in all of my thought process and the way I'm going about this. I don't expect you guys to trust what I'm doing until, you know, the product's done, right? We'll be able to see then how bad I did, right? Once this car looks like a car again, we'll be able to assess success and failure, right? And I really look forward to that. And, you know, I hope you guys stick along for the ride because it's a long ride, but I appreciate it. Thank you guys.